Hi guys, my name is Kay and I wanted to show you these stunning makeup bags. Just prepare yourself. These are the prettiest makeup bags that I have ever seen. They come in this nice box, so it'd be a great gift, and this is what they look like. It comes with two. So there is the small one right here, which would be great for like long skinny things like mascara, brushes, your toothbrush, all of that. Just really cute. It is clear with the brown leather and gold zipper. The zippers are really good. The whole set just screams expensive and high quality. This is the big one, which I am so excited about. Look how big that is. I can literally fit my entire makeup for a trip and probably some of my toiletries in here. It is just, again, really high quality. It's clear so you can easily see what's in here and grab things out of it. The back is a really sturdy, nice brown leather. You could set it up on its side like this. It has dual zippers. They're just really pretty high quality gold zippers. They work really well too. So you know if you have a bad zipper how annoying that is. These are absolutely great. It's gonna hold so much stuff. So I'm just gonna put a few things in here and show you truly how much this holds, but absolutely stunning. Could not recommend anymore.
Okay, here they are. I'm going to show you with some stuff in here and show you how much makeup or skincare would actually fit in here. I was gifted these for my honest review, but I absolutely love them and I would buy them myself. They're so nice. The zippers work well. You can see that this one's only half full and I have like 4 or 5 items in there. This is a great one for like toothpaste, makeup, skincare, all of that. It actually fits in your large one if you want, or you can keep it separate, but just throwing a couple things in here and showing you how much these hold. It's actually crazy. The zippers work so good. You can see what's in there. They hold a lot. They look super expensive. I really love them and highly recommend.